Welcome to the world of inspiration, where every day 450 million people look for ideas about beauty, health, travel, decoration, art, fashion, architecture, painting, homestay, gardening, recipes, tattoos, furniture, lighting, restoration, and everything that you can think of. Welcome to Pinterest, the quintessential inspirational social platform, where each post, or should I say, where each pin, is an opportunity to find future clients who are looking for what you offer, but don't know you yet. Let's get started. To use Pinterest, you have two methods. From your mobile device by downloading the app on your smartphone, or from your computer. You choose. You can also select whether to use Pinterest as a business or as a personal account. If you want to create a business account, you'll find the link in the description. You just have to use Pinterest Business or create a personal account and then make the change. Now let's get into the matter. We will create your account together step by step. Register with your email, add a password, and write your age. Welcome again to Pinterest because you are now part of it. As soon as you sign up, Pinterest will ask you a few questions to get to know you a little better and show you the content that interests you. Answer without fear, and when you finish, you'll already have a feed created for you so that you can start browsing. These suggestions will change over time according to the searches you carry out on the platform. The next step is to optimize your profile. Access your profile in the lower right menu if you are using a mobile device, or in the upper menu from your desktop. Select Settings and start filling in the fields. Choose a profile photo that defines your brand, or if you have a personal account, use an easy-to-remember username where you can include your main category. For example, Sarah Stylist, Sarah Fashion, Sarah Interior Design. Add your website or the URL where you want to direct your followers. Here you have the option to add Metricool's SmartLinks to create buttons and lead your audience to strategic content. I also leave the link in the description so you can try it. The moment has come. You are now ready to start browsing Pinterest and creating your pins. What are pins? Good question. So let's have a look at how things are called in the Pinterest world. The pins are all those images or videos that are published on this social platform. Boards are sets of pins. You can have your own boards by theme with pins exclusively yours, or also add pins from other users. Let's pin together. First, create a board. For example, one about cats. Click on the plus icon and select the board option. Now choose the name of your board and click on Keep this board secret if you don't want to make it public, so you can only see it, or simply leave it open to anyone. Obviously, if you're a company, your goal is to gain visibility, so don't keep boards secret anymore. Alright, your board is ready. Now let's create your first pin. Click on the plus again and now select Pin. It's very easy. You just have to follow the steps that appear on the screen. Choose which board you want to publish it on, upload the file, give it a title, add an alternative text where you explain what your pin is about, and add a link to direct the users where you want. Done! You already have your first pin created. Easy, right? Publishing pins is easy, but when you start to develop content strategies on this social network, it will be like the rest of social networks, non-stop. So think of boards as categories where you can group your content, your pins. The solution to moving faster on Pinterest is to schedule your content beforehand, so you keep active on the platform and increase the chances to get followed by more people. Take note, program your content with Metricool. Connect your Pinterest account to Metricool and schedule and automatically publish all your content, so you don't have to be working 24/7. And if the account you connect is business, you will access all your analytics at a glance to know which pins are performing better. That's all. So now you have your account created and the tool that allows you to schedule your content to always be active on Pinterest. Oh, I almost forgot. One last step. Learn to save other people's pins on your boards. Choose the post you want to add, hold down the pin and click Save. Select the board you want to save it on, and voila! We are looking forward to seeing you on Pinterest. You can follow us at Metricool, and let's connect. Before you go, hit the like button, activate the notification bell, and if you have any questions, leave us a comment. Until next time, Metricooler!